We are right now in the Colony area of Leh. This was the epicenter of yesterday's violence, and extreme violence was reported from this area. Now, still the remnants of the violence, what really tells you the kind of arson that happened yesterday here. You can see this is a CRPF vehicle, a security vehicle, which was burned down. In fact, it was first, there was stone pelting on this. The driver lost control. It went over a divider and then it was set ablaze. There was violence all over, and in fact, on this side is the BJP office, which was also targeted. They tried to set it on fire, in fact, a part of which was set ablaze. Right now, there are concertina wires. The police reinforcements are here and they are protecting this particular area. But as we drove through Leh, definitely there's tension in there. But the good thing for the administration is that since morning, there are no reports of any fresh violence from any part of Leh or Ladakh. But tension, lot of security force presence. There is police, there is CRPF almost everywhere, and there are barricading that has been done. People, in fact, there are restrictions, so that's why people are moving, vehicles are being stopped. So that's the kind of response as far as authorities are concerned. The hope is that the day will go on peacefully and then they can build it from there. Yesterday, all of a sudden, the unexpected happened because protests for the 6th schedule for the tribal rights, or be it the statehood, have been very peaceful till yesterday. Sonam Wangchuk was on a 15-day hunger strike. He had called for peaceful protest, but then all of a sudden there was a violent incident. Then it had a ripple effect. There was violence. It spilled over to other areas, and in no time there was arson, there was rioting, stone pelting, vehicles were set ablaze, buildings targeted, and the authorities, the police, was grappling for answers. Now, some semblance of control as far as the Leh administration is concerned. Curfew-like restrictions, you have reinforcements of the police, so they are now trying to take grip of the situation. And already we also know that certain people have been identified for yesterday's violence. 50 people have been arrested, detained for yesterday's violence. Close to 50 security force personnel, be it police, CRPF men, were injured. So a lot of violence, and this is unprecedented for Leh Ladakh, because seldom in the past we have seen the kind of scenes that were witnessed yesterday. So lessons for the authorities, but as far as today is concerned, a lot of tension, but peace as of now, calm, and tight, tough restrictions across Leh, and especially the sensitive locations in the heart of the Leh city. We are right now at the location where from the last 15 days Sonam Wangchuk was on a hunger strike, and in fact this is the epicenter of everything that started yesterday. It was peaceful till yesterday, but it seems as the police came in and as there were clashes initially, then it was free for all. You can see the scenes still. Everything is just smashed here. You have chairs that are broken, that are littered. You have pillows. You have everything that was brought here for this hunger strike it has been scattered literally. Vehicles, their glasses broken, scooters being broken. So that really tells you the kind of scenes that unfolded yesterday morning when this violence started. As we have been saying, this protest was peaceful till yesterday, but suddenly you had violence, and then one violent incident triggered the other. There was a chain reaction, and in no time, multiple places in Leh witnessed large-scale violence. 4 people were dead. We spoke to locals here. They say that while, yes, there was violence, but the security forces, the administration should have shown restraint, at least firing they should not have resorted to. They should have been very patient with this, because these were youngsters, these were youth who obviously were enraged because their demands were not being met. And while the locals don't say much about the fact that the government is right now probing the hidden hand, the hidden angle, whether there was a conspiracy, whether it was spontaneous or it was all sponsored. But Leh today is calm, but one could clearly feel the tension in the air, a lot of security force presence, but this spot is absolutely silent. But this definitely is an eerie silence that is prevalent here. With camera person Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Leh for India Today.